Hi, Indresh. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Today is Christmas. Was
Yeah.
it yesterday or today?
Yesterday was Christmas.
Yesterday was Christmas. Today is 26th December. Great.
Correct, correct.
Happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's start afresh.
Yeah.
You started somewhere on 30th September, if I remember correctly. This
Yeah.
course, ATM month.
I think it is the 30th of September I paid the amount.
Yeah.
And then I struggled for about 10 to 15 days to find out which software to use. And then finally, once I heard your audios number of times, then I could hear that you referred about Kite and then Pi. So I went on searching Kite and then finally Zerodha, I could get the Kite. And then it took me about 10, 15 days to get through that.
Okay.
And in between thereafter, then I tried to practice it. It didn't work it out. But somehow or the other, in the month of November, I I used it. I said, let us trust the person who is being suggesting it. Let us go by his method. Whatever I was doing it, I dropped that because I was doing with my hunch. I had no clue how to go about it. Though
Okay.
I was earning money, I was losing money, earning money, losing money. So this was going on, going on. So
Hmm.
then finally, I also try to find out, unearth, what is the reason why I'm not earning when I am selling everything on profit.
Okay.
So then I went to the profit and loss statement and converted to Excel sheet and then try to draw when I purchased this and why I made a still a loss. Then I could unearth that there are a number of taxes which are there, and that is the reason. Even though I am telling at 10, 20 rupees and I am dealing with a high share price share, so practically I am losing in that.
Okay.
And so then when your this thing video I saw your on four principles, so I try to practice on those principles. And probably the month of November was a little lucky to me
Hmm.
because October month went into the only experimenting. But
Okay.
in November month, little the market was booming, and I drilled in the Bajaj Finser and Bajaj Finance, and then a few more shares in that, and then I earned 2,77,000 in the month of November. And as on date, in the month of December, as on date, 4 days are left out. I earned 1.59 lakhs. So
Very
that
good.
so this is what the journey has been. I'm trying to stick on the principles. So sometime when you deviate from the principle, then you suffer. You see, so understanding the principle in real spirit is
Hmm.
also an issue which I am trying to find out. So I have taken the ATM 2, but on ATM 2 so far I am not been successful. So I will try ATM 2 now,
Hmm.
and then probably I was doing ATM 2 unknowingly. Though your principles were uh, uh, broken by me,
Hmm.
the year 20 I
Yeah.
have broken, but at the same time I saw the principle of. So
Okay.
based on that, I was doing it without knowing ATM too.
Ah.
So probably that helped me a little bit. And then now, once I know it, now I will try to practice it in the real spirit. This is what in nutshell.
Basically, let us go back to the history first. Before you joined the ATM one session, which
Yeah,
you started on 30th of September,
correct.
were you trading before and were you making money or losing money? What was your experience there?
You see, my I say practically in 2015 I entered into this system, and
2015.
2015,
Okay.
and in 1 year I made about 75,000 as a profit, but I made also losses, huge losses.
Huge losses.
And in COVID, practically I wiped out about 14 lakh rupees. In
14 lakhs. Okay.
14 lakhs in COVID, because the method which we were doing it foolishly,
Uh,
that and then suddenly when the COVID fallen down, I could not decide what to do, and then in the my whole money was wiped out
okay.
practically. So up now, once then I was struggling since July. I
Okay.
was making in July I made about 33,000 rupees loss. In August I made says profit of 7 8,000 rupees. And September I made some profit, but nothing was coming out practically. I made profit and loss and profit, and I was almost zero going on.
So basically, you were into loss until you did my course on ATM 1 on 30th of September. The entire until
Yes.
September, you lost around 14, 15 lakhs.
Correct.
So
And 30th of September also, I did not make it
yeah,
because I didn't have that software.
yeah.
So I was actually struggling to get what you are telling, how to implement that. So
Okay.
that is the reason I requested you also on one of the WhatsApp. He
Yeah.
kindly get me how to get a software.
Yeah.
So then on the net I searched. I only picked up your word pi and this thing
We'll
kite.
not speak about the technique here.
Yeah.
What basically is that you were into loss until the
Yeah.
did the ATM registered for the ATM course
Very
on
true.
September
Very true.
30th.
Yes.
Thereafter, you struggled for around 15, 20 days trying to get the software and things like that, and finally
Yes.
get used to things,
Correct.
following the principles in the course.
Correct. Very true.
So you made around 2.70 November. Thereafter, that means September, October, November, and this is 26. That means you have been around 2.5, nearly 3 months, short of
Yes.
3 months in the course.
Yes. Correct.
You've
Correct.
just been following ATM 1 and you just recently did ATM 2 now.
Yes.
So you feel that you are making money now.
Yeah. Now I am confident. Now
Okay.
I'm confident. Ki how should I trade it? You
Correct.
see you see, yes, for example, in religious they say na ki you follow God.
Yeah.
है ना? So I just followed ki bhai, the person who is telling, we religiously follow him. That's all, without questioning him ki whether it is right or wrong. So somewhere wherever I use my mind,
Yeah.
I get into trouble to get out of that.
It's okay. It's okay. You see,
Yeah.
I'll tell you something more now. I'll show to you rather.
Yeah.
See, this is what the card I have.
Okay.
I have made a card for myself. The rules are there.
Yeah.
Buy and sell rules are there. Both the sides, buying and selling.
Correct.
I follow these rules here.
Yes.
I mean, to remind me, I kept the card here. This is the
Yeah.
rules I will follow, full stop.
Correct.
So I don't even have to apply my mind. I every in the morning look at the rules like this. It's registered into my mind. So I don't deviate.
Correct. Correct.
So
That
when
is
the
very
problem
important.
comes in, Indrish, is when we apply our mind.
Yes.
To
Very true.
make money, we don't have to apply our mind. That's a secret I'm telling you today.
Very true. Very true.
Because you just take a trade based on the rules,
Yes.
chances are you'll make money. That's
Very true.
all it is. So you made good money around 2.77 lakhs in October,
Correct.
and
Yeah.
then again 1.5 in November. So
Yes.
nearly 4.5 lakhs you made money. Approximately.
Yes, 4.5 lakh I've made.
4.5 lakhs. That's very good. That's very good. That means you've lost around 15 lakhs rupees. 1/3 you've covered it now in just 2 months.
Correct.
And you're just doing only set up one ATM 1 setup. Now you've taken up ATM 2 as well.
Yes.
I will tell you something, a secret about ATM 2.
Yeah.
Let it be known to the public.
Okay. Fair enough.
ATM 1 is more of discipline, change of mindset,
Correct.
following the rules. What is ATM 2? Because since your mindset is set up, you're following the rules, ATM 2 is 10 times easier than ATM 1. Because since you're already following the rules, one more additional thing. It's like this, I'll explain to you. Since you've just registered for ATM 2, on a tree, you get a mangoes out of that tree. That is ATM 1. On the same tree, if you get apples, that is ATM 2.
Yeah.
What is ATM 3? It's 10 times easier because now your rules are so fixed in your mind that you're doing like this. ATM 3 is like oranges on the same tree. You keep the fruit is falling and you're just catching it.
Correct.
The trick is in following the rules.
Correct.
And that is why I have these rules. You see if you can make a card out of this, a small piece of paper, and go read it every day.
Yeah.
I think that should help you a lot. Whenever we apply our mind, the problem comes in.
Very true. Very
So
true.
you finally feel that when you were doing something on your own,
Yeah.
you were deviating, you're making money and losing money. Yes, sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money. But when you're following the rules, you are doing well.
Yeah. What I found, when I was doing the trading, it is not that I was not making profit. I was making profit, and I was making losses also.
Yeah.
But I was not understanding what I am doing, what is correct and what is not. But when I heard you, and then I found there is a base on which I can rely upon,
Yeah.
rather than going hit and try, just follow blindly. So that is the thing which I stuck to that. So probably that helped me a lot. And
I have
now,
one more question for you.
yeah,
Now, this, apart from making money,
yes,
okay, this money making, that's an objective, you will make money.
yeah,
100%. There's no way, because most of my students make money.
correct.
Have you seen any changes in yourself over the past 3 months?
I am more
And if so,
confident
what?
now. Yeah, I am more confident now,
Okay.
and I am confident in the manner that now I have a base on which I can rely upon build my castle.
Yeah.
Earlier, I was trying to build castle, but without any on a sand probably.
Okay.
So that was the reason I was falling repeatedly, making money, huge money I am making, and huge losses I am making it. But now the castle is built up so that even though when day I find that I am making losses, I am quitting it also. But next day I am making it double it, and I think not a single day have passed where I have not made profit.
Wow. Super. Congratulations.
So
Super.
not a single day has passed where I have not made money. There are certain
Fantastic.
shares which I bought it foolishly on my own. They are still in my hold, and but doesn't matter. Today or tomorrow they will give me the results. But I am going to follow the principle only. That is what I have learned in the whole process.
You become more confident. You
Yeah.
become more aware.
Yes.
You know where you stand today compared to you didn't know where you were earlier.
Correct. Very true. That was the situation.
Could we sum it up by saying that earlier you were a radarless ship in the ocean, didn't know where you were going, and
Yeah. Earlier I heard probably hundreds of videos on the net of
okay,
Nitin Bhatia and all that. They did help me in the understanding ki what are the terminologies and all that. But actually, how to sell in the business and how to get profit was not coming out. So, in your principle, I was able to get it. And the principle which I was following, where there is a volatility, you should only tip on those shares. That all those things got affirmed when I followed your principle. So, I found these are the affirmation is there.
Haji.
Whatever, whenever I was making profit, then I saw your rules. Then I found these are the actually foundation. So this foundation, we were not knowing 100% whether we are correct on our foundation or not. So that is the reason we are falling, rising, falling, rising, falling. But with your this ATM one principle, then I could make it out. Ki this we should only follow this rule. That's all. So that falling was stopped. So once the falling is stopped, then you made money.
Okay, so basically, okay. One more question I'd like to ask you is: so do you come to the support sessions meeting that we have once a week?
I attended your 2 or 3 support session meeting,
Okay,
not many, but I found uh, practically you are trying to explain only your principles which you are telling, and probably the team every time is different. So
yeah,
the same thing was going on. So I said ki many sometimes I didn't get time, sometimes I forgot, but 2 3 times which I saw it continuously for 1 month, then I was firm that there is no point in right now following it, and let me go ahead. So I asked you for the ATM 2, and you kindly granted that. So now let me see about ATM 2. How does it go through ATM 2?
basically the purpose of support session is that when
Uh,
people deviate from the route, my job
uh,
is to bring it back
correct,
on the track. There's a
correct.
track for ATM 1 or ATM 2 or ATM 3. There's a track you have to follow to make money.
Uh,
Chances are many of the traders deviate from the track and do things that they want to do, because a lot of things they have learned over a period of time. It's difficult to lose those habits.
correct.
It's
Very true.
difficult to unlearn those habits.
Yeah,
So
very
to
true.
see to it that they stay on the track, the support session comes very important. Since you came a couple of times and you realize I'm still speaking about the same things,
So
and
I
that
said,
reinforced in your mind that yes, these are the only
correct,
things that matter, these
correct.
principles.
That is true. Correct.
So
Very true. Very true.
I'm glad that you are making money. I can tell you just within 2 months, if you've recovered 30% of your loss, nearly 30% of your loss,
Yeah.
I think you are on the way to becoming a profitable trader. 2 months is good, and you like
Yeah.
you say that you make money every day.
Yeah.
Good. How much you make is not important.
Yeah.
As long as you keep adding into the kitty.
No, I remember your principle when you said in your ATM one somewhere I heard you saying that my objective is that every day I earn.
Yes.
So I remember that principle. I said, let me also do the same thing. I will not make a loss. Even though whole day I will not do it, in the evening I will do something, I will earn money.
Yes.
They should not go without money.
Yes.
So,
Let me repeat those principles once again.
yeah,
Every day, a green day.
yeah,
If we get a green day every day, we have a green week.
yes,
And if you have a green week every week, we have a green month.
yeah,
And if you have a green month every month, we have a green year. That's
yeah,
how you become a profitable trader.
correct.
How much is not important. You want to keep adding into the kitty and the water fills up.
Very true. Very true.
I would say that thank you very much.
Thank
I
you very
feel
much.
proud that you have become a profitable trader. It gives me immense pleasure to see that.
It
I
gives me,
I feel very nice when people call me up and say that they're making money. I'm glad that you've done it. I have no hesitation in saying that you have become a profitable trader. It's a matter of a journey. Market will open at 9:15 in the morning
yeah,
and shuts at 3:30. Whether I am there or not doesn't matter. As long as the market is open, we can make money from it every day.
correct.
All the best to you and God bless you.
Thank you
Coming to
very
the
much.
support sessions, because sometimes some word or two of mine comes in, or sentence comes in,
No, no, I'll do that. I'll do
which you can really gather a lot and
correct,
use it to make money.
correct. Very true. Very true. And thank
Thank
you very
you.
much for
Thank
the
you
all
very
this
much.
because namaskar. In fact, one last thing I'll just say.
Sure.
For number of I have in 2005 I had opened an account, a demat account for my wife, and
Okay.
I had been telling her to become a trader.
Okay.
So almost when I retired in 2015, then she said, "Ki, there's somebody is calling me stockbroker, and why don't you come in between and tell me?" I said, "I can't. I will not come half-hearted. I'll come with a full heart."
Okay.
So then that is the way in 2015 I entered, but I was in Udaipur at that time. Thereafter, in 1 year, we made profit, we made loss, and then 18 passed away, 19 passed away. We stopped doing the trading, and in 20th, this after COVID, we again revive ourselves.
How old are you?
I
How
am
old are you?
tomorrow is my birthday,
Oh,
and I
great.
am completing 67 years.
Very good. Congratulations. All the best. Happy
Thank you.
birthday to you for tomorrow in advance.
Thank you
If
very
you,
much, sir.
if you can start a career at 67, can you
Yeah.
imagine what happens to a young boy who starts at 18?
Very true. There is no
I
doubt.
tell you, I'm in front of you. I started my career at the age of 46.
Probably age has come in my way and helped me understanding you better. That is also.
Yeah. Possible. Is the age in the now there's something known as experience of age. The maturity increases,
Correct, correct,
and we learn a lot much better as we grow older. I started my
correct,
career at the age of 47 when I had lost all money.
correct, correct.
So if I'm in front of you, and your next example is starting a new life at 67, congratulations, welcome to becoming a
Thank you, sir.
profitable trader.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you. Okay, bye.